Hi my princesses and my princes, welcome to my green lace eyeshadow tutorial. This is one of my more easy looks, so hopefully you guys can follow along, but I was going for like golden forest vibes. The trick to making this really seamless is just take your time blending. I can't even emphasize that enough. It's all about the process, not rushing it, making sure all the colors look good together, and obviously glitter, which is what I'm doing here. I decided to do like a white lace design. I usually match my eyeshadow to my outfit, so if you want to watch the get ready with me, it's on my Instagram. But I love this eyeshadow tutorial, the gold, the greens, the whites. I feel like they mesh really well together. I feel like this is the kind of eyeshadow tutorial that everyone compliments me on, but it's so much easier than it looks. It's really just some half circles and some dots. I believe in you guys. Y'all can do it. I love this negative space liner I decided to do last minute. I felt like it was missing something, and that was the perfect touch. And obviously I had to add the glitz and the glam, so I added some gold gems and some gold butterflies as well. And yeah guys, this is how the entire makeup look turned out. I am so obsessed with it. Let me know what y'all think.